All right, hey guys, what's going on? On top of doing OBS, regular machine stuff, I do the content creating. So check this out. This is my OBS setup. Bam! I'm currently live right now. I'm showing myself doing a video. Bam! So got the camera set up right here. I got the one light, two light, right? Because brother man is a little bit heavy on the dark. Well melanated. You feel me? So gotta make sure I have proper camera, proper lighting, and everything, so be able to see a brother. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, cool. So um, got the stuff I'm gonna be talking about, right? Videos for review. Then all I do is I just send it over here. So give me a quick second. Hold on. All right, cool. So what you have here is Neil deGrasse Tyson that's talking about some things, right? And then you have over here the OBS setting, right? Main computer, right? Main computer. And then this is the OBS setting, right? Got the microphone right here. Got the OBS setting. And then whenever I want to do a transition, right? Hold on one second. Whenever I want to do a transition, I go right here. So I'm going to use this because I'm not really trying to transition all the way. So as you can see, bam, you can transition to that. It's weird. Whenever I go to the OBS, it automatically shows that. But yeah, so if you want to show the other side, there you go. You can show the other side, right? If you want to just keep it with just you can do that. This is like if you want to semi-transition and then go back, right? And then if you want to just do regular transition really quick, bam, you click on that. And then this screen will automatically be right here, right? So that's to get this split screen on your OBS, you have to enable this right here, studio mode. Once you enable studio mode, you will have this whole setup. Because when you get OBS the first time, you do not have this setup. You have to click on studio mode, and then this will show up, right? Now, let's say you want a camera, you want a display screen. You would have to go to, hold on, let me move this out of the way real quick. Okay, right here is where you'll have scenes. You can create different scenes where you have the plus button, right, on the other side. But let's say you click on scenes, you pick the scene that you want, and then from there, the scene will appear on the other side. Now, go here, you can click the plus sound, and then add video capture device, right? That would be the camera you have, whether it's your webcam or whatever camera you have attached, right? To display what that does, it allows you to be able to do, hold on one second, I think, did I pause? Okay, so display allows you to show, like, it allows you to show all this stuff right here, right? Just by pressing display. And then the mouse, how to have two set up, you need to have, to be able to have this, right? This right here, you need two monitors if you're doing OBS, by the way, two. You need a regular monitor to show everything on OBS, and then you need your main computer or laptop that you can view things on and then share through OBS via the studio mode, right? And that's how you do OBS, right? Hold on one second. All right, guys, so that's pretty much OBS in a nutshell, like just like the beginning of it. If you want to see more, I will be featuring more stuff on OBS, so you guys can get like an idea of like how to use OBS, what OBS is about. Let me do this setup right here so you can have me and OBS in the background. So that's how I have it set up. I'm currently on a live right now, about to do the live, and once I get everything set up, we're good to go. Currently, I've had some hiccups, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna get it going. Hopefully everything goes well, and then before you know it, bam, we're back to normal. OBS is on point, and then we're just gonna be streaming, and then we're good to go. But OBS setup is what you need if you're gonna do YouTube live. OBS is free. You just download it on your computer, and then from downloading it on your computer, you have free access to it, and you can do what you need, right? And I'll be showing you some more stuff on the OBS because again, I need to show you guys on different things that I do, so I can show I have basically this whole this whole setup that I built is meant for pretty much YouTube, right? I know I do content creating, making t-shirts and all that, but my primarily goal is YouTube. So yeah, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. We got OBS in the house, lighting, camera. Also have a second camera. I have to learn how to set that up. And yeah, but I'm gonna be bringing you guys lots of stuff. All right, cool. Like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Peace.